shepherds and baby Jesus. In the hills, some shepherds were looking after the sheep. Suddenly, they saw a dazzling light in the sky. It was so dazzling that they closed their eyes. When they opened their eyes, a beautiful angel was in the air just above them. It said, "Do not be afraid, as I bring great news for all of you. Today in Bethlehem, a baby is born who will save the world. It is lying in a manger." The surprised shepherds looked at one another in amazement. They decided to go to Bethlehem to see the baby. They ran as fast as they could and soon found Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus. The shepherds fell to their knees when they saw Jesus. They were filled with joy that they had found the Lord. They left happily and began shouting in the streets and telling everyone about what they had seen and about the arrival of baby Jesus. The news of the birth of Jesus spread far and wide. The Three Wise Men. 3 wise men were traveling one night when they noticed a very strange star in the sky. They knew that this star meant that the King of the Jews, the one who would save the world, had been born. First, they went to King Herod to ask about the baby. When King Herod heard about the baby, he was worried. He said to the wise men, "Go and find this child. As soon as you find him, tell me so that I may go and worship him." The 3 wise men followed the new star right to the stable where baby Jesus lay. They presented him with 3 gifts: gold, frankincense, and myrrh. The wise men left the stable but did not return to King Herod, as a dream had warned them not to do so. Living in Egypt. As the wise men left, an angel warned Joseph in a dream that King Herod was determined to kill Jesus. He told Joseph to take his family to Egypt, where they would be safe. So, Joseph, along with Mary and baby Jesus, moved to Egypt. Meanwhile, King Herod could not find the 3 wise men. He got angry as he felt cheated. He gave the order to kill every child below the age of 2 years in the area around Bethlehem. Many children were killed, but Jesus remained safe in Egypt. Shortly after this, Herod died. The angel visited Joseph again and told him to go back to their homeland as the danger was over. But as they were returning, Joseph heard that Herod's son was the new king. So the family traveled further north and settled in the city of Nazareth in Galilee. Jesus in the temple. Joseph and Mary used to go to Jerusalem to attend the festival of Passover each year. When Jesus was 12 years old, they took him too. After the festivities were over, Joseph and Mary left for home along with the others. They had traveled for a day when they realized that Jesus was missing. He was not with his friends or their relatives. So the worried couple returned to Jerusalem. They searched for him for 3 days. Finally, they visited the temple again. And Jesus was there, surrounded by priests. The priests were impressed by the young boy's knowledge and wisdom. Mary asked him, "How could you have left us like this? Why did you not tell us where you were?" To this, Jesus calmly replied, "I thought you would know that I would be in my Father's house." The parents did not understand this answer, but Jesus left the temple and returned to Nazareth.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.